What is a buyer persona and how to create one with AI? AnyBiz. In this video, we dive into the concept of a buyer persona and why it's crucial for your business. We'll guide you on how to create one efficiently using AI, enhancing accuracy and saving time. A buyer persona is a semi-fictional profile of your ideal customer, built on real data and research. It helps companies create targeted, effective marketing by understanding their audience's values and decision-making. A buyer persona is a research-based profile of your ideal customer, covering key traits, buying habits, challenges, goals, and motivations to drive more targeted marketing. Buyer personas enable companies to craft resonant messages, personalize campaigns, choose effective sales channels, and develop products that meet real customer needs. A negative buyer persona is a profile of people unlikely to become customers, helping businesses avoid wasting resources on poor fit leads. By identifying these personas, companies can sharpen messaging, allocate budgets effectively, and focus on leads more likely to convert, ultimately increasing efficiency and boosting conversion rates. Building negative personas requires analyzing data from churned users and non-converting leads, refining marketing strategies to target only the best fit prospects. How to create a buyer persona. Step 1. Market research step-by-step guide. Gather data on customers and leads through surveys, interviews, and CRM insights to understand their demographics, challenges, and buying decisions. This is crucial for creating accurate buyer personas and improving marketing strategies. Step 2. Identify commonalities. Analyze data for patterns in customer behaviors, motivations, and demographics. Segment customers by demographics, purchase habits, and motivations to create focused buyer personas for targeted marketing. Step 3. Develop comprehensive persona profiles. Create profiles with essential details like name, age, job, pain points, goals, and buying triggers. Add a short story to humanize each persona, helping the team craft more targeted marketing and sales approaches. Step 4. Define negative buyer personas. Defining negative personas helps focus resources on leads likely to convert, avoiding those who lack budget, fit, or decision-making power. This improves targeting, cuts wasted ad spend, and boosts ROI. In the AnyBiz blog, you can find more detailed information on how to create a buyer persona. The link is below the video. AI revolutionizes persona creation by automating data collection and analysis from customer touchpoints, identifying patterns, and providing predictive insights. This enables accurate, up-to-date personas that continuously improve with new data, making customer segmentation faster and more precise. Implementing buyer personas in AnyBiz.io. AnyBiz.io is an AI-powered lead generation platform that automates targeting, engagement, and outreach. It uses AI to create and update buyer personas, personalize messaging, and manage the full lead generation cycle, connecting businesses with the right prospects efficiently. Getting started with AnyBiz. Connect your LinkedIn, review auto-generated offer details, select target prospects, and add your Calendly link if needed. AnyBiz will handle domain setup, email warm-up, and AI-driven outreach. Start your 7-day free trial to experience automated lead generation. If you found value in this, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to keep up with our future releases. Your support keeps us going strong.